folks, Stu Feiner, ready to rock and roll with winning action for Wednesday, December 18th. What an amazing day December's going to be. What an amazing day the 18th is going to be. What amazing day Wednesday is going to be. And it all happens today because it is December, it is the 18th, and it is fucking Wednesday. Let's call today fucking Wednesday. You know what that means? I'm going to fuck your bookmaker. I'm going to fuck your offshore sports book. I'm fucking Vegas. I'm fucking William Hill. I'm fucking Ladbrokes right up their ass dry with these winners. First of all, let's discuss what we're doing. On the video blog right now, I discuss in-depthly why I want Matthew Stafford, Jim Schwartz, and Calvin Johnson to die slow deaths during this holiday season of love and cheer and happiness and joy and forgiveness. On the video blog, in-depthly, I discuss why I want Matthew Stafford, Jim Schwartz, and Calvin Johnson to die extremely painful, slow deaths, and if it could be on YouTube, even fucking better. That's on the video blog. On the free pick phone, on a recorded message, I'm giving away some holiday cheer. Holiday cheer. There's 2 ESPN games on the card today. Miami Heat are at home against the Indiana Pacers. Now, if the Miami Heat do not three-peat, no two ways about it, the Indiana Pacers will win the NBA championship for the first time in maybe ever. I don't even remember the last time Indiana won. Did they ever fucking win? I don't fucking know. But the Miami Heat tonight are playing the Indiana Pacers. Miami's home. It's on ESPN. I'm going to give you this winner absolutely free. And definitively, I know for a fact whether LeBron James is playing or not. The second game I'm giving you absolutely free on the free pick phone, on a recorded message, no salesman, no hassles, no pitch, just on a recorded message free, is the winner of the San Antonio Spurs traveling into the Phoenix Suns. So you have the Heat Pacer winner early, and then you have the Spurs Suns winner late, absolutely free on a recorded message. Call the free pick phone now, 800-982-2211, 800-982-2211. Now, yesterday was a rare losing day in NBA and college basketball for us. A couple of days ago, we came off an epic call in the NBA where I told you the Detroit Pistons, taking double digits, were going to beat the Indiana Pacers outright, and they did. Fucking outright as a 10-point underdog. They went into Indiana right now, unequivocally and unquestionably the best team in the NBA, and they pissed on them. I gave it to you. Plus, I gave you a big 25-point underdog covering easily over Duke. So 2 days ago, we swept. Yesterday, we went over. But overall, look at my record. How about my NBA run? 14 wins, 4 losses. 14 wins, 4 losses. 14-4, 14-4. Tonight, another NBA best bet at StuFinder.com and a college basketball best bet at StuFinder.com. The biggest bettors in the world are scoring out with me on a daily basis. Be part of the winning experience. Be part of the winning way. And with the College Bowl starting Saturday with 4 College Bowl games and 4 College Bowl over-unders and only 2 weeks left in the NFL season, don't go on your own. Don't pay anybody else. You pay me, I score out for you in the NBA, in college basketball, in the NFL, and the College Bowl season. From December 21st through January 6th, there'll be over 40 College Bowl games and 40 College Bowl over-unders. I pick every game and every over-under. That's 80 bowl selections. 80 bowl selections. Make sure you pay me. Make sure you're on my bowl package. Make sure you're paying me for the NFL. Make sure you're paying me for college and pro basketball. It's a guaranteed way to score out and make money this December and January and into February, March, and April. Let's rock and roll. Let's score out. From me, a source, Stu Feiner.